Hi guys! Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make ube ice cream with only 4 ingredients and no ice cream machine. I really love the texture of this ice cream. It's soft and it's creamy, so it's very easy to scoop. It actually tastes like ice cream that you buy from the supermarket. So now let's go and make it. In a mixing bowl, pour the cold heavy cream, or you can also use all-purpose cream or whipping cream for this. Using an electric mixer, whip the cream for 4 or 5 minutes on medium speed until soft peaks form. By the way, you can find the full recipe at the end of this video and it's also in the description box below. And back to our cream, as you can see, soft peaks have formed. Now it's time to add the cold condensed milk into the whipped cream. So we are going to mix again for 1 to 2 minutes until stiff peaks form. I usually leave my condensed milk in the fridge overnight so it's cold when we use it. You can actually adjust the amount of condensed milk depending on the sweetness that you like. Now we're going to add the ube flavoring. This is the brand that I use. It's called McCormick. I got it from a Filipino store here in New Zealand. While the mixer is still off, try to blend in the ube flavoring so it doesn't splash all over the bowl and you don't make a mess. Now we're going to turn the mixer on and we're going to mix it until it's evenly combined. As you can see, it's turning into this beautiful purple color. So ube ice cream is actually a very popular ice cream flavor in the Philippines where I grew up. Here where I live now, you won't be able to find it, so it's pretty nice that we can easily make it in our own kitchen. The last thing that we're going to add is ube jam. You can buy this or you can also make it as well. If you want to learn how to make ube jam, check out my other video. The link is up here. So finally, we're just gonna mix this ube jam until it's nicely combined into our ice cream. We're going to transfer our ube ice cream into a freezable container. I'm just using a baking pan, but if you have an empty ice cream container, you can also use that. Flatten the top and then slam it on the table just to get rid of air bubbles that might be trapped in the ice cream. We're going to freeze it for at least 6 hours or overnight. Here we go, we've got our homemade ube ice cream. For those of you who haven't tried it before, the taste is kinda like vanilla. It's a bit nutty with a hint of coconut flavor. I'm not too sure if you can actually imagine the taste from what I said. Anyway, it's delicious and it's purple. You just have to try it. If you guys make ube ice cream, tag us on Instagram at PreEMC. I would really want to see it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next one.